What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Majah Vernon, aka Mr. Money Man, aka I do real estate, aka I'm an entrepreneur. Wild and rough Wednesdays, man. Nevertheless, we still pushing to achieve greatness amongst the chaos. Uh, just got some good news today. My funding partner gave me a call, told me a property that we contracted a couple weeks ago. He actually got the call from the title company notifying him that we got the okay to close. Funny thing with this property, I got this property from um one of my mentees, uh, and he was mentee. Went out, branched out. Started killing it on his own, but we still do a bunch of JV deals to this day. We partner up. I buy the last couple properties I've actually closed on actually came through him. So he's great at finding deals. So that's one of the main things on my board that I I've always mentioned. Ways to get the deals. Number two, networking. Number two, wholesalers. So um, and just built a relationship, man, and we've been rocking ever since. We first linked up. He found me off of YouTube, so hey, man, y'all better utilize this channel, man. Put out a lot of good content, uh, and he actually found me off of this channel. Go back, check out the old videos because just the mindset that it takes to get in, man. I got some very great, valuable things. Now, if you got anything in particular that you rather see, let me know. You want to analyze a deal, break down the deal. I typically use spreadsheets to understand my profit potential and just uh, going off of my normal formula. I take everything, and just work off of the same formula that I've always did. But I utilize my spreadsheets. Uh, if you come in below, Jay, send me a copy. Ja, send me a copy. Uh, put your email in, your email address into the comments, and man, I'll definitely get you a copy of my the spreadsheet I use to actually analyze my deals or see the profit potential. I use a couple different ones, and some great tools, man. I use them every day, um, and I got them for different type of properties. So, like I say, drop your email, or if you just want to email me and say, send me a copy, you can do that as well. But uh, got to be networking, man. Got to be networking. Got to get out there. Got to make it happen. So with this particular deal, my funding partner, who's also, I do partnerships with them. I'm always utilizing OPM. So um, got the call, title company, boom, good to fund, good to close. So funny thing about it, man, we actually never been into this property. Got the call. Uh, Contract on the 12th. Like, look, man, we got to close it by the 16th. We cool. Made it happen. Got in there, signed everything, and then boom. Little did we know, the actual sellers was going through a divorce, and uh, they had to get a judge's order to sign off on the sale of the property. So, couple different ways, and just being in this industry, that these type of stall tactics happen. Whether you want to call it a stall tactic or what, but I've seen on more occasions than not, people for whatever reasons they get different prices, they get a better offer, so on and so forth, and they try to back out of the deal. So I always, you know, there's different ways to actually secure your interest and your equity in the property, your equitable interest, uh, and that's just something that there's a contract for that. So bunch of different little tips and tricks to secure and uh, keep your equitable interest intact when you go out and contract these properties. Sellers, man, when it comes to money, hey, you just got to play it safe. But so we got the call and like, hey, we signed at like 10 in the morning, wired the funds. Like we're talking wiring with closing costs like 270 some $1,000. And boom, the sellers didn't show up to sign. Uh, so we get a call maybe Monday go by, Tuesday go by, and I just reached out to my partner and just like, hey, did the seller sign? Haven't heard from the title company. And that's when we got the notice that they hadn't signed yet. One of the signers they was meeting up on that Tuesday or Wednesday. So uh, reached out to the title company, man. They kind of just filled us in like, nope, we got to get a judge order. I'm like how we get to closing and fund the deal, and you just now finding out that it's you got to get a judge's signature to sell. Like we're literally at closing. Like these things should already happen, but nevertheless, boom, today is a good day. We going to closing. We're gonna we pulled that money back because like I said, when it goes out day one, boom, you paying on it. So had to pull that back in. Like we let it set for a couple days, week or so. We gave them to that last Friday. Like, look, if they don't close, if we don't get the judge's signature, hey, we need to reverse that wire. So, but we got the okay today, so that's gravy. That's good news. Probably added another, uh, you know, $60,000, $70,000 in a couple months that in this market gonna fly off the shelf. It comes with a lease back, but that only secures us with um, the rehab is super easy, cosmetic. So we should be able to get in there, get out, and secure the bag real quick on this one as soon as it's vacant. So uh, we're giving them to the month of November to do whatever they need to do. We gave them a 30-day lease back. So we'll see, man. So today was a good day. We'll be closing on this one. Hopefully everything get wrapped up tomorrow. The HUDs don't lie. And this your boy, man. Like I say, you want that spreadsheet, email Ja, let me get it. Subscribe, man. Subscribe. Go back and check out them videos, man. It doesn't matter. All the content is relevant to this day. To this day, the content is still good, and I'm gonna show you just what following up will get you, man. I think closed a deal where probably was a little over a year later, and I ended up closing that deal. So my board, it tells you everything you need to know about getting deals. If you're not doing this on a daily basis, chances are you're probably sleeping on some deals. So let's get out there, man. Let's crush it, and let's see what the next great blessing will be. It's your boy, Majava Earning Jai, aka Mr. Money Man, aka I do real estate, aka I'm an entrepreneur, telling y'all can do it, man, and I'll see you at the next one. Salute.